Welcome to this video which looks at the LAN Guardian network and user search integrated with SolarWinds Orion. My name is Darren Delaney, I'm Head of Technical Services here at NetFort.com. I'm now logged on to my SolarWinds Orion Network Performance Monitor. So I installed this earlier today, so I haven't made too many changes, but I've added a new user network search here. So I'm going to click on this, and in this page I've got three options. You can take a look at some bandwidth troubleshooting, take a look at file activity, or take a look at web usage. So the first example, we've got some users complaining that a file has gone missing from the network and they want to know who deleted the file and what time that happened. So we're going to search by file name. Within the next field here, we just type in name of the file. You don't have to put the whole file in, just part of that name. Or you could search for extensions, so you could say, well, it ends with, for example, XLS for spreadsheets. It's just going to go contains forecast, run this report or do a search. It resolves then that this IP address has accessed that file. I'm going to convert that to username. And let's drill down and just see what's happened here. So Wendy Fagan from the sales department, sure enough, she's the one that deleted the file. Let's get more detail. We want to know when this happened. And we find out this happened at 1700. So we've got the date and time, so we're going to call Wendy and ask her, maybe she's got a local copy of the file, we quickly get it back on the network, or maybe we need to restore from tape. Let's go back to the user network search. In the next example, we've had a request from HR looking for a report which shows who's been on Facebook today. So we're going to search by website name. Let's type in here Facebook. We run the report. And we get a list of IP addresses who've accessed Facebook. Let's convert that to username. So we have a number of users on Facebook, and we can even drill down to find out what have they been accessing. So we've got the URI here as well, so they've been accessing some pages here within the Facebook site. Let's go back here now to the user network search. And next example, we've had a user complaining that their system is slow. So they're connecting over a VPN connection back to the main office, and they keep saying that it's very slow during the day. So we want to take a look at what's happened. I'm going to search by username. We start typing in the user. You don't need to type in the full username. Prompts here, Bill Patton. Let's take a look at what's been happening with Bill. I'm going to focus on the last 24 hours, that's fine. And we're going to get a range of elements back here now. We're going to look at his traffic profile, what systems he's logging on to, what websites, what files he's accessed. So a lot of web traffic originating from Bill's system here, so let's drill down on that. And we find here actually he's been on YouTube and UEFA and a bunch of non-work related sites, so it's probably no wonder his access to the network is slow. A lot of YouTube streaming here, 300 megabytes over the last couple of hours. So the final thing I want to take a look at is an IP subnet range. So can we see what's happening with a subnet? It could be associated with one of our WAN sites. So we're going to go to search by IP address and type in an IP range. Just put in the subnet like that. And then we go search and see what do we know about this subnet. So let's have a look at traffic profile and a range of other elements. So most traffic to and from this subnet is iTunes sharing. We can drill down, we can get the detail around that. We can also see that users within this subnet are accessing the Pirate Bay. Again, we have the option here to drill down. Some other sites. Also what files have been copied up and down to this subnet. So we've some documents in there, some spreadsheets, and also some executables moving around. Let's go back now to user and search. So there are three common things you can use the user and network search view for. If you've got the NetFort LAN Guardian and SolarWinds Orion on your network, please visit our website www.netfort.com, where you can get further information about our integration with SolarWinds. You can also click on the Contact Us button and either call or send us an email, and we can send you information about how you can get those two systems linked up.